Hi, everybody. I think I'm live now. This evening, we are going to talk about how chiropractic can help you. First, I'm going to introduce myself. I am Dr. Lisa Gordon, and I'm here at the Natural Health Improvement Center of Columbia, Maryland. And I am a chiropractor who has been in practice for 33 years. And I do a variety of techniques that help with all kinds of health issues. Tonight, we're getting back to basics. Tonight we're going to talk about whether chiropractic can help you, how chiropractic can help people. Some people are afraid that going to a chiropractor is painful, and I'm going to address that in a couple of minutes because I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity to have some of the best health care that you could possibly have. So, first, I want to make sure you understand what chiropractic is. So, what is chiropractic? Chiropractic is a way of diagnosing and correcting misalignments of the spine. In fact, we correct misalignments of all the joints of the body from head to toe. We use a big word to describe these misalignments, and that word is subluxation. It means less than, sub, luxation, a dislocation. So we're not talking about a dislocated shoulder, something way out of alignment, but subluxation. So it's a very small misalignment of a joint. And the joints are in the spine, the joints can be in the fingers, they can be in the wrists and the ankles, anywhere in the body that you have a joint. When the bones get misaligned or subluxated through accidents or the activities of daily living, it causes physical stress, and that affects the body's ability to function properly. Everything from the immune system to the nervous system to strength and flexibility depend upon the joints of the body being healthy and in proper alignment. People get pain or even a decrease in vitality when their body has subluxations or misalignments of their spine or the other joints of their body. Some of the things that people go to chiropractors for are the ones you hear about most often, like neck and back pain, sciatica, which is that awful pain that can go down the leg. People get pain down the arm, also, which is kind of like sciatica of the arm, but it has a different name, and even headaches. Did you know, though, that in my practice, I see people who have migraines, sports injuries, knee, ankle, foot, and hip pain, carpal tunnel syndrome and other wrist and hand issues, TMJ dysfunction, even menstrual cramps, trouble focusing, and many other health concerns. All of these issues can be handled without drugs and surgery in most cases, and a chiropractor can be your best friend when it comes to being healthy. The people I know who get regular chiropractic adjustments are the healthiest people I know, and that even includes children, especially children. Can you imagine if your car had a slightly misaligned tire? Think about it. You're driving along and you notice a very slight pulling of your car to the right. It is easy enough to hold the steering wheel with a little bit of leftward tension to keep the car going straight ahead. You don't make anything much of it. The car is getting a little older after all. After a month or so of slight pulling on the steering wheel, you start noticing that the car is shaking a little bit. You begin to wonder if there is something that might need attention, but well, the car's still getting you around. And when could you ever fit in a trip to the mechanic to find out what's wrong with your busy schedule? Sometime later, your car is shaking like crazy. The steering wheel requires major pulling to keep the car going straight, and you begin to worry that you and your precious cargo are becoming unsafe. Now it is an emergency that you get to the mechanic. By this time, not only do your tires need to be aligned, but the bearings in your steering wheel and the axle of your car have been damaged. What if you had made time to go to the mechanic? We can call her the car chiropractor. In time to fix the minor issue in the beginning. Would you have increased its lifespan? You would have saved money on the car, shown it some love, and improved your safety and your comfort. Your body is the same way. My dream practice is full of people who understand that maintaining their precious body is more important than just drowning out the noise with drugs. I want families to be healthy. I want this younger generation's children to be healthy. Chiropractic is an essential element of caring for our bodies. I hope I don't just embarrass myself right now, but here goes. Just yesterday, I needed to dance. I put on some great music and I danced. Without telling you my exact age, I can tell you that I graduated from high school the year of the Watergate hearings. Many people my age can't even walk around the block, much less jog, dance, do yoga, or even touch their toes. Because I have had excellent chiropractic care throughout most of my life, I have recovered from injuries easily, I am completely comfortable in my body, and I am healthy. I very rarely get sick, and I have the energy to do everything I want to do. Some people are worried that if they go to a chiropractor, the treatment, or the adjustment as we call it, will be painful. Just like with all professionals, it is important to find the right fit. In my practice, with 33 years of experience behind me, I tailor the treatment to the patient. Some patients require a very gentle, calming adjustment, and others love to hear the painless music of their joints. Either way, chiropractic adjustments are very safe, effective, and relaxing, and they are painless. I always make sure my patients understand what to expect, and we always have a conversation about their comfort level. In my practice, I also do a lot of muscle testing to make sure that the patient's body is balanced from side to side and front to back. I not only test the muscles, I do things to correct the messages so that when you're going up the steps, your leg knows you're going up the steps and it will carry you up the steps. Otherwise, you're going to end up with knee pain because your knee joint is going to be doing what your muscles are supposed to do. So we have to make sure that those muscles are getting the message and that they're fully active. And we do that very easily here. This is extremely important because as we go through life, we want to have physical confidence and good balance in order to be safe and healthy. Chiropractic is a very sensible addition to your family's health. I would love to have the opportunity to chat with you personally. Please call my office at 667-240-2923 to schedule a totally free phone or video consultation with me so you can get on the road to excellent health. There's no obligation involved with having that consultation. Instead, it is an opportunity for you to get your questions answered and learn if my practice is right for you, as it is for many others. Thanks for listening. And if you haven't said hi at the bottom under the comments, please do. I'd love to know who's listening in. Thanks again for listening in. And we'll see you again next Tuesday at 5:45 for yet another health topic. Bye.